Next, let us see the properties of dot product of two vectors, that is properties of scalar multiplication. Now, first property, it is the distributive property of property of dot product. Distributive property of dot product over addition. The distributive property of dot product over addition, that is A dot vector A, let A and B be any two vectors, then A dot B plus C is equal to vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C. This is the first property. Now, second property, let A and B are again any two vectors. Let A and B any two vectors, and lambda any scalar quantity. Then lambda into vector A into vector B, that is dot product. Lambda into vector A into vector B means, here we are discussing dot product, that is lambda vector A dot vector B is same as lambda into vector A dot vector B, which is equal to vector A dot lambda into vector B. So that is the second property. So these are the two properties. Now let us see the product of two vectors in terms of components. Now let us find the product of two vectors A and B if vector A and vector B are given in terms of components. So let vector A equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K, where I, J, K are unit vectors in the direction of x axis, y axis and z axis, and let vector B be another vector, and let the components of the vector be B1I plus B2J plus B3K, where I, J, K are unit vectors along x, y and z axis respectively. Now let us take the dot product of these two vectors, vector A dot vector B, which is equal to A1